welcome back to another video, and this one will be about connecting to data in Tableau. So it's important that we just know, it's important that we know that we are aware that Tableau cannot just work with any kind of data. Of course, this video is just as I said, or as I sometimes mention, that it's more of a makeup video, so I won't be going in depth. Videos for in-depth explanations and why things are the way they are, and to get a better grasp could come later, but now just keep it short. So because I mentioned them, so it's just more of a refresh for you, just to refresh your memory, to jog your memory. All right, so here we have this data. Now we know that Tableau works with structured data, and this is structured, of course it is. Now the challenge we might have here if we import this data to Tableau is all of these things, this main header, all these things, Tableau will not interpret them properly. You'll be seeing something like F1, F2, F3, F different things. You will not get correct field names, right? You will not get correct field names. So anything like this, and you can see we have summary. This total is for all this. This total is for all these. Now for data you want to import to Tableau, ensure you don't have all this total. Tableau does not need them. Tableau gives us an aggregate, as I mentioned before. Tableau always gives an aggregate. By default, when you drag, let's say you have a field, something like you have a field of this, when you drag it, you always get the total by default. Tableau gives us the aggregate. You don't need to do that again. If you do that, it's going to skew your data up, it's going to mess your data up, and that will not be good. All right, so also you should only have field names, not field values, as your headers. Ensure you don't have field values. These are field values, right? These are values for a particular field, which is the year field, right? So you should not have them as header. Tableau will misinterpret your data. Okay, that's another thing. You should not have all this fancy heading, customization. Remove them whenever you want to work with Tableau. All these this summary, the sum, you don't need them. All these empty spaces, you don't need them. Of course, that might not cause as much problem. The empty, the blank rows, that might not cause as much problem, but all these ones are not good here. All these, they are not good here. And ensure, as I said, that your field names are your headers, not field values. Okay, let me show you another one, another updated version of this same data set. It's a synthetic data set, by the way. I just prepared it for the sake of this video. It's not real data set, it's not original. You're gonna find it, the values are not correct. Okay, so I just prepared them for the sake of this video.